Welcome all. Today we are going to discuss about the flowchart of the bisection method with the help of accuracy criteria. There are two types of bisection methods. First is accuracy criteria and second is iteration criteria. Today we will learn about the accuracy criteria. Firstly, we have to define the function. That function is y. Then we have to find the y is equal to f of x. It is the given function. Then we have to give the inputs as a x1 and x2 as a initial guesses and accuracy as a input. Then x1, x2 and accuracy, these are the three inputs which are required for solving the bisection method problem with the help of accuracy criteria. Then we will find the y1 as a function of x1, y2 as a function of x2, y1 is equal to f of x1, y2 is equal to f of x2. Then we will check the convergence criteria. The convergence criteria is y1 into y2 should be less than 0. If y1 into y2 is greater than 0, then we have to give the value of initial guesses. Again we have to give the new value of x1 and x2. Hence, here we have taken the condition as while y1 into y2 is greater than 0, then read the value of x1 and x2 again. Then again calculate y1 and y2 and again cross check whether y1 into y2 is less than 0 or greater than 0. This loop continues until the value of y1 and y2 is less than 0. Then we will check the answer by bisection method. That bisection method answer is x3 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. We check the respective value of y1, y3. That value is f of x3. We have to check this value for the accuracy criteria. That's why we have taken the modulus value of x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. This is the mod value. It should be less than accuracy, then that will be our answer. But in case of x2 minus x1 is greater than accuracy, then we will check the following condition. That condition is if y1 into y3 is less than 0, then if this condition is true, then we will replace x2 by x3. Similarly, y2 will be getting replaced by the y3. If y1 into y3 is less than 0, this condition is not true, then we will replace x1 by x3. Similarly, y1 is replaced by y3. We have to continue this loop until the x2 minus x1 value should be less than accuracy. If the value is coming greater than accuracy, then this loop will continuously execute. If this loop, when you want to stop the loop, at that condition the x2 minus x1 should be less than accuracy. Once the x2 minus x1, the mod value of x2 minus x1 is less than accuracy, then at the next step, that will be our answer, x3 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Then finally we print the answer x3, and this is the end of the flowchart. So in this case, the flowchart is divided into three portions. First is the input values, then checking convergence, and third one is the checking the value of y1 into y3 to replace the x2 or x1. Here we decide which value we have to replace by this equation. So this is the procedure to solve the problem by the bisection method with the help of accuracy criteria. Thank you.